So 2 years ago, I made these organisers, but the handle fell off. The doors don't open easily. I sanded through the veneer. The top gets filled with shit. The papers spill out everywhere. You have to remove every other bit of paper to get to the one you want. So let's make some new ones. Now the panels are mounted, rebaited and fitting, I can move on to making the shelves. So just before I assemble everything, I'm gonna measure and cut the back.
All away, but I remember everything.
So now I can sand and assemble.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything.
Okay, so now while the shelves have been installed, I need to move on to making the drawer.
That's the sound of me working on the chain gang. But I'm free. Yes, I'm free from the chain gang.
Just like with the rock plywood competition project, I'm going to try and do something textural and experimental with the doors. So this time I'm going to use this piece of reclaimed wood and I'm going to slice the end grain to create a veneer.
times we shared our thoughts.
So now the fronts are installed, I can move on to finishing. The finish is done, so now I can install.
That's the sound of the man working on a chain. Yeah.
So I'd originally planned to add some door handles, but now I've made it, I'm not actually sure it needs them. So let's move on to everyone's favourite part of the video, the beauty shots.
All day long we work so hard till the sun is coming down, working on them highways and byways, always wearing a frown. Hear the moaning their life away till you hear somebody say.
Just before I go, I want to say one last thing. Thanks for watching.